Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be trying out a new strategy that was shared on this video, how I'll pass 400,000 FTMO in 2023, my strategy, which was shared by the YouTube channel PineTrades. This strategy claims to be a surefire way to pass the FTMO challenge and reach 400,000 in just 2023. But is it really that easy? We're going to put it to the test and see if it's truly profitable and effective. Stay tuned as we go through the setup process, discuss how to use the strategy, and provide some practical examples to help you understand how it works. Will this strategy help us reach our financial goals? Find out in our video. First things first, let's open up TradingView and load up the GBP/JPY on a 15-minute time frame. Don't worry if you're using a different security or time frame, this strategy will work for any of them. Now it's time to add some indicators. Head over to the Indicators tab and type in UT-bot alerts. Choose this option and then go to the indicator settings. In the Inputs tab, we're going to change the sensitivity to 2 and the ATR value to 2. Then, in the Style tab, we're going to uncheck the bar colors. This indicator is going to be our entry confirmation indicator. Whenever it prints a buy signal, we'll buy. Whenever it prints a sell signal, we'll sell. Our next indicator is called Money Flow Index, and it's going to help us determine if the market is overbought or oversold. To add it, go back to the Indicators tab and type in Money Flow Index. Select the option by Dreams Defined and then access the indicator settings. In the Inputs tab, change the oversold value to 30 and the overbought value to 70. In the Style tab, change the plot color to white. This indicator will print a red dot if the market is overbought and a green dot if the market is oversold. If it prints a red dot, we should only be looking to take short trades. If it prints a green dot, we should only be looking to take long trades. Our third indicator is Zero Lag SMA, and it's going to help us identify trends in the market. Select the option by NetWeaver and then go to the Inputs tab. Change the length to 200 and uncheck the Align with Price option. In the Style tab, change color to green and reduce the thickness a bit. This indicator will tell us whether we should be taking long or short trades. If the price is above it, it's a bullish trend and we should only be taking long trades. If the price is below it, it's a bearish trend and we should only be taking short trades. Our final indicator is called Consolidation Zones, and it's going to help us avoid trades when the market is consolidating or moving sideways. To add it, go to the Indicators tab and type in Consolidation Zones. Select the option by Lonesome and then access the indicator settings. In the Inputs tab, change the look-back period to 20. In the Style tab, disable the Lines option. This indicator will show us when the market is in a consolidation zone. If the price is within the light blue background, it's a consolidation zone and we should not be taking trades. We've finished setting up our TradingView chart and it's time to move on to the rules of our strategy. For long trades, Rule 1. Only take trades when the UT-bot alerts indicator prints a buy signal and the Money Flow Index prints a green dot. This means that we'll only enter a trade when both of these indicators are giving us a clear signal. Rule 2. Only take long trades when the price is above the Zero Lag SMA and the market is oversold according to the Money Flow Index. This rule combines the signals from the Zero Lag SMA and the Money Flow Index to help us determine the direction of the trade. Rule 3. Do not take trades when the price is within a consolidation zone as identified by the Consolidation Zones indicator. This will help us avoid trades when the market is moving sideways. Rule 4. Always risk 2% of your account per trade. This will help us manage our risk and ensure that we're not overexposing ourselves to the market. We place our stop loss to the nearest swing low and target 2 times the risk. For short trades, Rule 1. Only take trades when the UT-bot alerts indicator prints a sell signal and the Money Flow Index prints a red dot. Rule 2. Only take short trades when the price is below the zero lag SMA and the market is overbought according to the money flow index. Rule 3. Do not take trades when the price is within a consolidation zone as identified by the consolidation zones indicator. Rule 4. Always risk 2% of your account per trade. We place our stop loss to the nearest swing high and target 2 times the risk. Now that we've set up our indicators and established our rules for trading, it's time to put our strategy to the test. We're going to backtest the strategy 100 times with an initial account size of $1,000, and we'll be using a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio for our backtest. Backtesting is a crucial tool for any trader as it allows us to test our strategies and make informed decisions before risking real money in the market. We've run our strategy through a series of historical data and have analyzed the results. According to our backtest, our strategy was profitable with a win rate of 45%. This means that out of all the trades that we took, 45% of them were winners. Overall, our strategy resulted in a gain on the account of 70%. This is the total profit or loss that we made from all of our trades. It's important to note that we were not compounding our positions in this backtest, meaning that we did not reinvest our profits into subsequent trades. We also looked at the maximum number of wins and losses in a row, with a maximum of 6 wins in a row and a maximum of 9 losses in a row. While these results give us a good idea of how our strategy has performed in the past, it's important to remember that past performance does not necessarily predict future results. However, by analyzing the results of our backtest, we can identify areas for improvement and adjust our strategy accordingly. We hope this tutorial has been helpful and that you're able to use backtesting to improve your own trading strategy. Don't forget to leave a comment in the section below if you have any questions or would like to share your own backtesting experiences. Thanks for watching and happy trading.